Ops, do not scroll. Baka may matutunan ka dito. This is the question. If children do not respect their parents, should parents beg for it? The answer is no. Why? When a child does not respect their parents, begging is not the solution to gain the respect. Respect within the family should not be forced or begged for. It should be developed within the relationship. If disrespect becomes an issue, it is more important to look at its root cause. Begging often reflects a loss of control in a situation and may also fail to teach the child proper behavior. Instead, it's more important to build respect based on mutual understanding, discipline, and healthy relationship. Bilang mga magulang, huwag nating hayaan na basta-basta na lang tayo sasagutin ng ating mga anak. Lalo't alam natin sa sarili natin na tayo ay nagpapagal, nagsasakripisyo. Teach them a lesson. Kung kinakailangan mo silang tiisin, huwag kausapin, gawin mo for them to learn a lesson. Kasi napasakit para sa isang magulang na ikaw ay sasagot-sagutin lamang ng iyong mga anak gayong ikaw ay nagpo-provide at napapakinabangan pa nila. Let them taste the medicine that they are doing to you. God bless everyone.